So somewhere behind that mountain, we can actually see the peak of Kanchenjunga. Now it's misty, so it's not so clear, but when it is more clear, we can see the peak of Mount Kanchenjunga just from here. Good morning guys. So yesterday night we arrived to Gangtok. The very most important thing, today is April 7 and this is a new rule in Sikkim. So whoever is entering Sikkim has to carry a RT-PCR test negative report to go around Sikkim. So now I'm heading to this government hospital to do that RT-PCR test. Yes, to do that RT-PCR test, and then we will see further. Okay, so I'm done with the test, but have to wait till tomorrow evening to get the results. So till then I cannot go out of Gangtok, but still I can go within Gangtok. Hi guys, we are here in Gangtok, exploring Gangtok actually, and there's a friend came with me who is sharing the hostel along with me. So since I cannot able to go around away from Gangtok, because without this TC, without this COVID test, you're not supposed to go out of Gangtok. So within Gangtok we can go around. So we are just starting to explore Gangtok, and he is like coming to Sikkim like for the past 10 years, so he knows this place upside down. So he brought me to this nice Tibetan restaurant, and we ordered some local Tibetan food which is called Thupka. So I'm gonna try that now, and here you can see a beautiful view of Sikkim. Not exactly Sikkim, it's Gangtok. So guys, you can see we are exactly at the center of Gangtok. Here the traffic is terrible because the roads are very narrow, no? So the traffic is quite terrible. They don't have signals, but all the junctions have traffic police who controls the traffic, just like this. And also every entrance of areas have an arch like structure, which is really awesome. Just like that. So what you saw is a taxi stand from where you can take taxis to Shanggu Lake and Nadula stand. So these taxis only take you to these stops, nowhere else. And we have like different stations, like different taxi stands, and different taxi stands takes you to different locations. So you have to find the exact taxi stand according to your destination. So just walking in Gangtok town itself is really beautiful. So guys, that's Kasi viewpoint. Unfortunately today it is really foggy and cloudy, so the view is not that amazing, but still something is better than nothing. So guys, now heading back to our hostel because it's, as you can see, it's getting dark already and it's just going to be 6 p.m. Yes. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy the view of Gangtok in the daytime. So if so, then hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next episode. Till then, take care from Bharat. Have fun. Peace.